Okay, now let us see one more problem. So on these numbers. So let me come to the directly the question. So here is the problem. A two-digit number is such that the product of the digits is 8. Okay, this is a two-digit number we need to find out. And the product of the digits is 8. When 18 is added to that number, then digits are reversed. So find the number. So when you see the any question related to the digits type, so two-digit number. Now for example, if you see 83 is one two-digit number. If you split this in units and tens, so 8 into 10 plus 3 into 1 is actually the process. 1 into 1's digit plus 10 into 10's digit. So 8 into 10 is 80 plus 3 into 1 is 3. We'll get 83. Any number. If you take same for example 72. So to split into units separately, for example, if the units digit is 2 and tens digit is 3, then 32. But if you want to write as the sum of the digits, we can make it separately. 72 means 7 into 10 plus 2 into 1. Okay, if you know the units and tens digits separately, to get the number, this is the process. 32 means 3 into 10 plus 2 into 1. So 1 into 1's digit plus 10 into 10's digit. You will get that number. Okay, just remember this concept. Now because same thing I am going to apply in this problem now. Okay. Now a two-digit number such that the product of the digits is 8. So let tens and units digit. Let me take the tens digit is x. Any letter take. So if I take the tens digit, because most of these problems which are related to the digit sums is the same way you can continue to solve. So that let tens digit be x. If it is x, then product of the digits is 8. If the tens digit is x, then units digit, the units place, that will be 8 divided by x, right? Because product is 8 now. So x into 8 by x is 8 only. Okay, these both numbers if you multiply x into 8 by x, x will cancel, then 8. So whenever ask the product, you can do the division type. If it is sum, 8 minus x, because of the product 8 divided by x. Okay, remember that. Now we can make the number. Now we need to find out the two-digit number. Okay, then this number is, then the number. So tens digit is x. That's why 10 into tens digit plus 1 into ones digit means units digit. So 8 divided by x. 8 divided by x into 1 is 8 divided by x. So 10x plus 8 by x is the number, right? The number obtained on reversing digits. So for example, now this is a number. Now take same example. If 72 is one number, the reverse of this is 27. That means tens place becomes units and units place becomes tens place. Okay, same type. Okay, as it is, we can do the reverse of this number also. Because the next statement they gave one more condition. When 18 is added to the number, then digits are reversed. So let me find out the reverse the number also first. So reversing the digits. So when you do the reversing the digits, then that number, that is we can take 10 into units place now reverse. That is 10 into 8 by x plus x into 1. Now this we can make it as 80 by x plus x. Okay. Now this is the original number, this is the reverse number. Now according to the statement, for original number, when 18 is added to the number, then the digits are reversed. So for first number, for this statement, if I add 18, we'll get this second, right? That is from the condition. Now according to the second statement, so number is 10x plus 8 by x. For this, when I added 18, then the digits will be reversed. That becomes 80 by x plus x. Yeah. Now this is the condition. Now this condition, if you simplify clearly, we'll get the problem. We'll make this into a quadratic equation first. So this is the main thing from the second statement. Let us simplify this. So when you take to simplifying this entirely, we can do the LCM in the bracket 10x plus 8 by x. So that is 10x square plus 8 divided by x plus 18. Here is 80 plus x square divided by x. And more simplification, 10x square plus 8 plus 18x, because 18 is 18 by 1 divided by x is equals to 80 plus x squared by x. So this x and x cancel in the denominator places. Now let us simplify this. Take the terms one side. So 10x square plus 8 plus 18x and minus 80 minus x square is equal to 0. These both terms took right side, left side. Then 10x square minus x square is 9x square and plus 18x minus 80 plus 8. So minus 72 is equal to 0. Right? Now we can always make the quadratic equation simplest form because all are in 9 table. So you can take with 9 common. X square plus 2x minus and this 8 and this 72 is equal to 0. 9 take this side, 0 by 9 is 0. So then that becomes x square plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. Right? Now this is our quadratic equation. Now this, if you can simplify, you'll get those answers. So from this, x square plus, so minus 8 we need. So plus 4x minus 2x. 4 minus 2 is 2, minus 8 is equal to 0. So from this, take x common, x plus 4 minus 2 common, x plus 4 is equal to 0. So I will do it in this side. So x plus 4 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. By using zero product rule, x plus 4 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now x is equals to negative 4 or x is equals to plus 2. Okay, number should not be negative, so that will be this will be neglecting. We can take out this. So this is a negligible. Then only x is equals to is the correct answer. So x is equals to is nothing but tens digit. If you see the question, so x is the tens digit and 8 by x is units digits. So therefore tens digit is equals to 2. Okay, we got x is equals to right last. X is 2 minus 4, right? So 2 only should take. So tens digit is 2, then units. So units digit is 8 by x. So 8 by 2, that is equals to 4. Then the required number. Therefore, so required number, same tens digit into 10 plus units digit into 1. Otherwise that you can write. So tens digit is 2 and units is 4. So 24 it is. So 24 is the number. Just only the thing is two cases here. Product is 8, so we can apply this problem. And the main step is from the statement we need to make it as clearly. So once the statement is clear, by just applying quadratic concept, we can find out this. Right? Now these are the simple problem on numbers. Now let us see the problems on ages. Next we will see problems on time and distance also. Let us continue now.